Hey, it's Marissa. I'm a plein air and landscape painter for the last 20 years. This channel is all about art, and there will be a lot of information and a lot of tutorials, and also as a life of an artist. In this video, I continue to go through my studio, clearing up the clutter and providing a new space for more art and creativity. I'm going to show you what I've worked on and the next odd jobs for me to work on as we go on the year. I'm pretty happy with the start, and I'm pretty happy with how it's creating good energy to come into the studio. So let's jump right in. This is the new setup of my online class. So everything is more spacious for me to move back and forth as I go through teaching. My setup is all over there, and over here I put my laptop. My oils and acrylic paints are all organized and all contained nicely all the way down to there. Over here I have my mediums and other odds and ends, and I know where they are, and it's all organized as well there. Over here I have reference materials that I need to sort out through, and some sketchbooks that have provided me with lots of inspiration in the past. I just have to go through that quickly and it should be fairly easy. So this section is fairly organized. I'm quite happy about that. Now, as I look over here, this hutch here, I can't even see the tops anymore. It's full of stuff. So what I'm going to be doing over the weekend is going through each of these pieces here. I have more brushes and more things here that I can organize and show you in the next video. I'm also going through this cabinet here, which has varnishes and framing tools and equipment. I have more gloves and tape and mineral spirits, glue gun, all sorts of stuff that are odds and ends and very necessary for painting. I'll go through that as well. That'll be another video. And then here, as you can see, I have more mixed media and books and studies and research material that I would like to go through, because some of them I haven't seen in a long time, and just want to make sure that, you know, there might be areas there that can be let go. this space is finally organized. I'm very happy. All my paints up here and down there are all organized and all workable. All my brushes are put away, nicely sorted, and they're ready to go. And all my sketchbooks down here are all arranged according to year and also ready to go. So, very happy with that, and I'm very excited about how everything is working out for me. Now I can see my table. It is organized and I cleared it all up. I do have some space here so I can do some writing, but everything in there is all organized and I can find things properly. I still didn't go through the cabinetry here. I'll have to do that one day. All of this in here is all organized, this cabinet. And I introduced a new cabinet here, which will store most of my reading materials and sketchbooks as well. So I'm quite happy about how this section is looking and how it is working for me and my students as well. I still have the other section to work on, but that's on the next video. So thank you for joining me. Sweet out. Bye for now.